Good morning, world. We out here, get ready to do a little fishing. We loaded the boat up. As you guys can see, everything's loaded, ready to go. Look at my Uncle JJ. Beautiful morning. We're gonna get out here and try to get on some fish. I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Starting the morning off with a nice sized crappie. Well, starting it off with a crappie, I should say. Look, he's been caught before. Let's see if he's gonna make it. Let's see. Nah, he's short, James. Good luck. This would be 10.5 right there. Let him go. There you go. Yep. Crappie. Yep. Keeper. If not, close to it. Let's take a look. You got one?
Yeah, we
just made it. Just made it. Yep.
Somebody caught something. They're far and few.
We got some. We got one. We got about 3 so far.
That's pretty good because this lake is shut down.
Really?
They're tough to catch right now.
Yeah, I heard they used to catch them pretty good out here, like a while, like.
Not in the last 2 weeks, it's
like,
been tough.
Really? Well, we're in the boat, so we got an advantage.
We were in a boat yesterday too, and it was no advantage.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. What's the? Do you get big ones out of here though?
Not really. I mean, you're catching. I mean, don't get me wrong. They're 9 to 10 inches, 8 inches.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't very rarely see them too much bigger than that.
Uncle over here. Oh, with a crappie reeling backwards. I'm over here stuck on a stump.
you get loose yet?
Nah, he's right there. There you go. Measure him up. Oh, there you go. Go ahead and lose him.
Got it.
Nope.
Yeah.
Look, that's 11.5. I mean 10.5. That's 10.25. Let him go. Let him go. 10.5 is our limit. Don't pull that shit now. Yeah, crappie. Ooh. Right in the finger. He slapped me right in the... No, the jig got me good. Come on, buddy. Let's take a look. That's the keeper, see? Look. That's how you keep those keepers.
I'm looking at shit.
That's how you keep those keepers. That's how you get those keepers right. Oh, you don't want to look?
I'm not looking at that.
Why not?
Because it ain't on my pole. I just catch them.
Another crappie. Oh, wow. Wow. Nice one, Jimbo. Yep. That's what it is though, James. They're not hitting it. They're not really thumping it hard. It's something real light. I thought I was hitting seaweed. That's how light they hitting it. Got another one. GoPro, start recording. Got another one, J-Ball.
Yes, you catch them.
swallowed that one.
Put him back.
10.5.
It's bigger.
I just want to see how big he is, though.
Somebody else catch him.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, he's 10 inches.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do 10.5, so let him go. So you can get him on the troll again. There we go. Fish on. Oh, I lost him. Unk's on. Got a crappie.
Top, very small.
And the top left. Top right, actually. Man, stop playing with that fish, man. Man, messing around.
Look at it.
That's the line right there, look. You don't know how to measure. And look, you gotta put the lip there. Go ahead, if you, he don't make it, I'm telling you right now. Unk on with another fish. See what you got. Bluegill? Crappie? Bass? Ooh, crappie. There you go, Mr. Crappie Man. That's how you get them? Like that? What do you say?
Like it's there.
Alright, go keep it. I don't think these fish get
It is there.
I don't think these fish get that much bigger.
I don't think you need him.
They probably get like 11, 12 inches. Unk on with another fish.
Really. And I stop.
What you got?
Correct.
You sure? Well, how do you know?
Man down with it.
Oh, I thought you was gonna say because I'm Mr. Crappie Man. Yep. Y'all got one in the boat. This fish is a little colder.
It's cold out here.
It's colder. He's short. There we go. There we go. Bluegill.
With mine before.
Yeah, this fish is way cooler.
Mm.
Way cooler. Uncooked up. That looks like a bluegill. Oh, a crappie. There you go. Maybe we should. You want to stay here? Yeah. Out towards the deeper water. You stop playing with that fish. Look at that torturing them. He might make 9 inches, but he ain't big enough for us. That's what you mean to say. Because he's definitely a 9-inch crappie, I'll tell you that right now. But he's not a 10.5. Probably like 10 1/4. There we go. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. There we go. There we go. Huh?
You gotta get a little bigger.
Ah, he got me right in the finger. Yep. Made it.
Not 9 o'clock, like 10 o'clock. When I called yesterday, 5 or 6 o'clock.
There we go. Man, you better get out and start fishing. Stop talking about them women.
Yeah, I ain't about that shit. Look, I can get your ass out there and go do something. Start mapping that goddamn fish.
But she's depressed.
No, I told you must be sick or something.
She's depressed because you ain't there. You come over.
She kept saying that shit too.
You come over there, and you over there.
How small I am.
You over there slinging.
Small I am when I was down there.
You sling, and then you talking about you gotta go. So she upset. Yeah, no, now it's keeping us in one spot.
I saw that.
I thought it was a bluegill.
You running with it.
What the hell is that? A little crappie? Yup.
You running with it.
That was a baby crappie.
You running with it after your line running.
That would have been the smallest fish caught today.
No, it ain't.
Yeah, that would have been. That would have been smaller than when you lost.
No.
Another fish on the troll. This might be a bluegill or bass. Feels like a bluegill. He's digging. Yep. Unc said he got a fish. We gotta see what he got. Probably got some skunk on it.
Oh, I got a crab on here, man.
You sure?
Yeah, yeah. Pulling.
Yeah, you do.
He's a good keeper too.
I don't know about that keeper part, but
That's a keeper, man.
you don't know what you're talking about.
That's what you're talking about.
You wouldn't know what a keeper looked like if it slapped you in the face.
He just slapped me in my face. He just slapped me in my He just slapped me in my face just there.
Man, measure that fish. Stop
I
playing.
ain't
Huh?
measured my ass. That's a damn keeper, man. You want me to fuck around that you catch some more damn fish?
Put it in there.
I ain't got to measure. That's Slabo, man. Shit,
That's a what?
Slabo. Shit, Slabo, look at that.
You sure?
Yeah, I got a tip right there.
What are you talking about?
This is the last fish caught for the day. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and always remember, fishing is life, so live it up.
Yeah, I was.
What you talking about?